y'all, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is System Test 60, I think. Now, before I get into this video, I want to thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. I just hit that yesterday, I think. Jeez, I'm struggling. So, thank you guys so much. I'll be making a special soon. I don't know when, though. So, we got my BG12, my CH70, just got this, and my Wheelock Exceeder remote strobe. Don't pull fire alarms from real buildings, and this video does have strobe lights, so if you are sensitive to those, please don't watch. Alright, let's do this thing. 3, 2, 1. Very quiet. Piezo on the panels, louder, which is fun, but it's hot. Alright, and the detector is active. Actually, I'm gonna pull a pull station just for the thumbnail. Alright. This thing sucks. Alright, so that is everything for this test. Very short test. I will be coming out with the special this coming week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys for the special. Peace.